concept 3, writing functions. So we are going to figure out how to write functions. And most of the time, functions are written as an equation. Okay? So functions can also be represented by an equation or rule. Sometimes you'll hear the words function rule, but usually it's going to be an equation. Okay? This equation will generate ordered pairs. Ordered pairs by taking an input, which is your x value. We're going to plug in x values that result in a certain output, which are y values. Okay? The x value is always called the independent variable, and the y value is always called the dependent variable. Okay, to remember this, you can think independent, input, input, independent. Okay, that's how you can remember which one's independent and dependent. Okay, the graph of an equation is the set of all its ordered pairs, which often form a line or a curve. Okay, so let's practice writing some functions from tables. Okay, I'm going to do the first two together, and then the last four will be in different videos. Okay, so number 1. What we're going to do is we're going to complete each function table. So we're going to take this function, plug in x values, and get corresponding y values out. So this is what this is going to look like. We're going to take our rule, x plus 7, put it right there in the middle. Then we're going to take wherever there's an x, we're going to put -1. Okay? So this one's going to become -1 plus 7. Well, what do I get when I add -1 to 7? I get 6. So here is my x value, here is my y value. So my x and y are -1 and 6. That's all you gotta do. Okay, we're gonna do that 3 more times for this one. Okay, so wherever there's an x, I'm gonna put a 0. Well, what is 0 plus 7? That's 7. So that ordered pair is 0, 7. 2 plus 7 is 9, so that is 2, 9. And then 4 plus 7 is 11, so 4, 11. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. Okay, pretty simple. Let's do the next one. Okay, instead of x plus 7, we're doing x minus 13, so that's what's gonna go right here. Okay, so we're gonna say 3 minus 13. Well, that gives me -10. So 3, -10. All right? Same thing with 6. 6 minus 13. That gives me -7. So 6, -7. 9 minus 13. Well, 9 minus 13 is -4. So that's 9, -4. 12 minus 13, that's -1. So 12, -1. And that's it. That's all you got to do.